Pinakilala na ng Philippine Football Federation sa isang send-off nitong Martes sa Makati City ang Philippine Women's National Futsal Team na sasabak sa AFC Women's Futsal Asian Cup 2025 qualifiers na arangkada mula January 11 hanggang January 19 sa Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Yan ang ulat ng aking teammate na si Daryl Oclares.
Bago ang kanilang laban sa AFC Women's Futsal Asian Cup 2025 qualifiers mula January 11 hanggang 19 sa Tashkent, Uzbekistan, isang send-off muna ang inihandog ng Philippine Football Federation nitong Martes para sa ating Philippine Women's National Futsal Team. Dito inanunsyo ng PFF na mapapasailalim ang ating futsal squad sa kanilang pinakabagong Spanish head coach na si Rafa Merino Rodriguez. Hawak ni Rodriguez ang mga kredensyal na UEFA Pro License Level 3 at FA Level 1 pagdating sa football.
I am very grateful for the trust that has been given to me. Thank you very much.
14 na manlalaro naman ang bubuo sa pambansang koponan, kabilang na mga Filipinas veteran booters na sina Katrina Gilu at Isabella Flanagan.
Being given this opportunity from PFF and the coaching staff, I've truly honored it, and I'm lucky enough to play with these girls that sit in front of me right now, and I can't wait to go to the tournament.
Any chance to represent the Philippines also, I want to try and do my best, and to be able to do something I love and have the opportunity is just amazing.
Bagamat non-bearing ang torneo para sa Pilipinas dahil pasok na tayo sa 2025 FIFA Futsal Women's World Cup bilang host country, may hamon pa rin si PFF President John Gutierrez sa ating koponan.
We expect to win that group. We expect to win that group. Okay, we expect to qualify for the AFC Championship in China.
Kabilang ang bansa sa Group C ng torneo kung saan nila makalaban ang Kuwait sa January 11, Uzbekistan sa January 13, Turkmenistan sa January 15, at Australia sa January 19. Daryl Oclares para sa Atletang Pilipino, para sa Bagong Pilipinas.